Now I'm going to teach you about the short circuit in the motherboard. How can we detect if there is a short circuit in the motherboard or not? So easy, by checking the continuity between the coils or inductors, as you can see, and the ground. Normally, all inductors in every motherboard should not be connected to the ground. All inductors are connected to the power rail. Okay, so if you find any inductor that is shorted to the ground, means there is a short circuit in that circuit that inductor belong to it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have many inductors. Okay, in each circuit you will find inductor, capacitors, and MOSFETs. We have inductor here, two terminals. If you check these two terminals with the ground, you should never find any short between inductor and the ground. Always inductor is connected to the voltage or to the power rail. Okay, so using the multimeter and by putting the multimeter to the continuity option or to the buzzer option, check between the inductor and the ground. If you found any low resistance or any continuity, means there is short circuit. Of course, the low resistance should be 0 or 001 or 002. Okay, if you find 008 or 009, this is not a short, this is just the resistance of the CPU or the GMC head, etc.